Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome you to our February new products video. Our first new product are these Instrument cluster lenses. We've had these made. These fit the 87 to 91 Ford Bronco and the 87 to 91 F-Series pickup. We have both the plain and we have them with the trip meter. There's other ones on the market, but these are far superior. We have these retooled. They're really nice. They're nice and clear and straight. There's other ones on the market, they got waves and distortions in them. I would not buy those. Again, these are really nice product. Fit the 87 to 91 Bronco and the 87 to 91 F-Series pickup without trip meter and with trip meter. And the best thing is you buy these from us, we ship to you for free. And our next new product are these shock towers. These fit the 73 to 79 F250 four-wheel drive and the 78, 79 F350 four-wheel drive. We've had these reproduced. They're made here locally. Really nice, heavy-duty steel construction. They're laser cut out. The welds are magnificent on them. Again, all you have to do is paint them and bolt them on. Again, heavy-duty front replacement shock towers for the 73 to 79 F250 four-wheel drive and the 78, 79 F350 four-wheel drive. And our next new product's been needed on the market for years. It's a 78 to 96 Ford Bronco rear tailgate lock cylinder. This goes right here in your back of your tailgate. You put your key in there, you turn it to the right or left, it puts the window up and down. Again, hasn't been available, it's reproduced here. Nice construction, comes with two keys. Again, it fits the 78 to 96 Ford Bronco. And our next new product, this is Vacuum Advance. This fits the 66 to 73 Ford Bronco with a 6-cylinder. You got the 170 or the 200. This is the Vacuum Advance. Held on by one screw, two screws and a clip. Basically easy installation. Again, brand new Vacuum Advance for the 6-cylinders, the 170, 200 for the 66 to 73 Ford Bronco. And for our February Web Truck of the Month, we have Corey Beach's 96 Bronco. It's a former Kentucky Department of Transportation truck. You'll enjoy the video. Thank you for your support. Hope you see you again next month.
This is a 96 Ford Bronco, 302. When I got it 5 years ago, it was mint condition Kentucky vehicle. So it had minimal rust. It was actually a Kentucky Department of Transportation vehicle. Old government truck, yep. So if you look down the side of it in the right light, you can still see the old badges that used to be there, kind of in the faded paint. Just stock 302 E4OD. Underneath it's got a Solo Motorsport Stage 4. So built in a garage. So I mainly dune drive. It's geared 488, so it doesn't do much on the road. I just Silver Lake every weekend. Since I've got it, I have done the Stage 4 Solo kit. So Kings on all four corners. I have re-geared front and rear to 488s. Full roll cage, removable steering wheel. It's got harnesses just in the front, so PRP seats and harnesses in the front. I put a new gas tank in it a couple weeks ago with a new Desolate skid plate kit. I got T-case brackets and stuff like that.
So any upgrades you want to do that you haven't done yet?
So first and foremost is definitely engine. I want to go to a built 351 C6 trans. So once that starts running and driving good, I'll end up doing fiberglass on all four corners, and then we'll work on four-linking it. I'm a mid-90s Ford guy. I got a 97 F350 quad cab dually. Is going to be the tow truck for this eventually. It is very much a work in progress.